Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Jenkins on your computer step by step. Jenkins is a powerful open source automation server that makes setting up CI/CD pipelines and automation tasks super easy. Let's get started. First, we need to download Jenkins. Open your browser and go to the official Jenkins website at jenkins.io. Once you are on the home page, click the download button. Here you will see two options, the long-term support versions and the weekly versions. I recommend the long-term support version, that is LTS version, for the better stability. Now select the installation package for your operating system. If you are on Windows, choose the MSI file. For Linux, there is a WAR file or package manager option. And for macOS, you can use Homebrew or download the .pkg file. Click the appropriate download link and the file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, let's move on installation. I will walk you through the process for each operating system. If you are using Windows, double click the MSI installer file you just downloaded. The setup wizard will open. Follow the instructions, choose your installation directory and ensure you have Java 11 or newer installed on your system. Jenkins requires Java to run. After installation, Jenkins will start as a Windows service. You can access it through your web browser by visiting localhost 8080. For macOS user, you can either install Jenkins using Homebrew or run the pkg installer. To use Homebrew, open the terminal and type brew install Jenkins LTS. After install, start Jenkins by typing Jenkins LTS in the terminals. Then open the browser and go to the localhost 8080. Linux user can install Jenkins using the package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, open the terminal and type sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install Jenkins. Once the installation is complete, start Jenkins using the command sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Then access it through your browser at localhost 8080. If you downloaded the WAR file, open the terminal, navigate to the folder containing the file and type java jar jenkins.war. This will start Jenkins on port 8080 and you can access it by going to the web browsers at localhost 8080. Once Jenkins is fully set up, you will see the Jenkins dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Jenkins. From here, you can start creating pipelines, automation tasks, and exploring the world of Jenkins.